Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from TonKeeper to Binance using your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, I've opened up Binance here and I'm logged in. So from here there's a few things you need to know. You need to have the TonKeeper extension installed on your Google Chrome. So if you don't know how to do that, just click on the three dots, click on extensions, visit the Chrome web store, and then go ahead and search for TonKeeper, install it onto your Google Chrome, and then link that from your phone. To link it, you need to add in your key phrases. And now from here, you want to click onto deposit, and then click on deposit crypto. And then you want to select coin. So Ton isn't on Binance at this point in time. So if I type in Ton, we can't swap Ton or send Ton directly from our TonKeeper wallet. So we need to go back to TonKeeper, the extension. And now from here, what you want to do is swap Ton to USDT. So swap as much Ton across to USDT. Once you've done that, go back here and then you have USDT down here. I don't have any crypto in this wallet. And then if we come back to Binance, we want to search for USDT. Here it is here. And then you want to select the network. So you want to scroll down and click on Toncoin. Click on OK, show me the addresses. So these are the two addresses you need. So you need to copy both, like so. And now come back up to here, click on the TonKeeper. And then select the USDT. I don't have it at this. I don't have any USDT, so I can't show you exactly how to do it, but I'll just show you if I'm using Ton. So pretend this is our USDT. So I want to send, say, wrong button. I want to send, let's get back into here again. All right, send. So I want to put that address here and then the comment here. So I'll go ahead and do that now, like so, and then click on continue, and then type in the amount of USDT, and then click continue again, and then you'll successfully send crypto from USDT from TonKeeper on your PC to Binance.